Have you ever checked your WordPress comments and found a flood of random, unrelated, or suspicious responses? That's response spam, and it's one of the most annoying problems for website owners. But don't worry, because today I'll show you exactly how to identify response spam in your WordPress site so you can protect your website and keep your comment section clean. First, let's understand what response spam actually looks like. These are usually comments filled with unrelated text, suspicious links, or generic compliments like "nice post" or "great content," often posted by bots or scammers trying to get backlinks to shady websites. A good first step is to look for patterns. If you notice multiple comments coming from the same IP address, using random usernames, or linking to strange websites, that's a clear sign of spam. Real visitors don't usually behave like that. Next, check for unnatural language or formatting. Spammers often use broken English, copy-pasted phrases, or even AI-generated text to seem legitimate. If a comment feels off or doesn't match your post topic, it's likely spam. Now, let's talk about prevention. WordPress has built-in tools like Akismet Anti-Spam, which automatically filters suspicious comments, but you can go beyond that by exploring plugins like Anti-Spam B, CleanTalk Anti-Spam, or WP Armor. These tools use different detection methods, such as behavior tracking, content analysis, and form protection, to stop spam before it even reaches your moderation queue. Finally, remember to manually review your pending comments every once in a while. Even with plugins, some spam might slip through. Taking a few minutes to approve only genuine responses keeps your website's reputation strong and your audience engaged. So, if you're tired of bots and fake comments cluttering your site, start identifying spam today and use the right anti-spam tools to stay one step ahead. Keeping your WordPress comment section clean isn't just about moderation. It's about maintaining trust and professionalism on your website. That's all for today's video. Hope this helps you keep your site spam-free and secure.